What's going on, guys? Jack's the Bearded Hiker here, flanked by two Kudu grills, Kudu number 1 and Kudu number 2. Now, I've owned the Kudu grill for about just over a year now, and I figured I would do an update, not a review. Now, if you want to see a review or overview on the Kudu grill, go up to this link right here. This will be the first time I checked it out and gave my initial impressions on it. Now, since then, they have upgraded their grill. It's still the same great grill that I've been using for a year, but they have, I would say, pimped it out a little bit and kind of, I don't know what the word I would use, maybe even beefed it up just a little bit. So let's go over some of the new features that is on this new one. Again, guys, if you're not familiar with the Kudu Grill Safari Bra, go check out my video for an in-depth look at that. It's basically going to be the old style, not this new style, but I'm showing you the new style now, so you shouldn't have any problems. So just remember, if you buy the Kudu grill today, December of 2019, it's going to have these new features here. So the first new feature that they've added is these stainless steel 360-degree lever bolts, and it enables you to pretty much manipulate these any way you want, so for ease of moving this thing up and down. It's also got these beautiful stainless steel thumb screws which hold these elevation bars in, and you're able to unloosen them and take these elevation bars completely out. Also, they've added these stainless steel coil handles on there. Before, your handles did tend to get hot. And if you notice in the old video that I did, I complained about this smoker lid right here. And I didn't have really nice things to say about that lid. Well, they've upgraded the lid to a new, I mean, this one is really heavy duty. It's a lot thicker steel. So really like that. Thank you, Kudu, for doing that. Wasn't a deal breaker, but it still was a little bit of a, I don't know, I didn't like it. So another cool thing is that they've added is they've changed the grill grate. You know, see, I'm gonna get dirty, but this grill grate here is the old grill grate, and this is, I'm not sure what this, I mean, it's some kind of steel, but it's not, I don't think, it's not stainless steel, but you can see how it's just kind of rough cut around here. Okay, well, they upgraded to this stainless grill grate, and you can see it's put together a lot better, in my opinion. And last thing that I've noticed that they've changed is the powder coating on the outside. Before, I think it was just some kind of a high temp paint or something that they put on there, but now they went to, like, it's almost like a powder coat, and I think it's ceramic coat, high heat ceramic coated. And I don't know, I'll bring the camera in and show you a close-up of the difference, and you can kind of tell one's like, again, like a powder coat, the other one is like more of a shiny coat, I would say. Turn some light on. Okay, you can see this is the new style here. See, it's kind of powder coated, and then you have the old, which is just a little bit more shiny. And you know, you see, I oiled this thing too, but it's still, you know, kind of bubbled up. The paint kind of bubbled up and flaked off there, it looks like. Could have been user error, I don't know, but I haven't had any problems with this coating doing that. Still has the same self-leveling legs on there. They didn't change anything about that. Now, one of the things you need to keep in mind, if you have the old Kudu grill and you're going to the new Kudu grill, you need to realize that you will have to get another attachment if you have the Poiki pot, or which is this three-legged pot here. The elevation bars are a little bit bigger, so if you have the old Kudu grill with the old Poiki pot attachment, then it's not going to fit. So you will have to order a new one of those. So I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison video between the old Kudu Grill Safari Bra and the new Kudu Grill Safari Bra. Now, I do want to throw a disclaimer out there. About a year ago, I purchased the Kudu grill with my own money, the old version. A Kudu Grill, I guess, stumbled upon some of my videos and saw that I had good things to say about their product, so they asked me for my address, and I thought they were just going to send me their new rotisserie accessory, and they did send me that, but they also sent me this brand new pimped out grill. Again, they didn't ask me to do a video that I'm doing now, or they haven't asked me to do any videos. They just were showing their appreciation for me, you know, liking their product and putting videos out. And to be honest with you guys, I love this grill. This is my favorite way to cook now. I love it. I mean, I use this thing more than I do any of my other grills. If you guys have any questions about the Kudu grill, if I can't answer them, I will find out the answer and let you know. You can also go to Kudu Grill's website and get some specs, you know, maybe thicknesses of this metal and all that stuff, if that's what you want to do, or check out my video. I kind of go into a little bit of that. I know that Kudu Grill right now has a discount, I believe, so you might try that. I don't know if the code's still good. If there is a code or a link or whatever to the discount, I will put it in the description. The Kudu Grill Safari Bra, get you one.